I'm Ras from Manjusri Secondary School. I got to know Ace Your POA from my friends who recommended it to me since my POA wasn't really that good. Before coming here, I used to score on D7 to E8 and most of my theory was quite weak. After coming to Ace POA, I feel like POA is much more easier and simple as our tuition teacher Alex makes the lessons fun and enjoyable for the entire class. And what he does different from other competitors is that he gives much more in-depth explanations while making the class fun and enjoyable. There is a cheat sheet that has been accumulated over a long period of time, and I trust it a lot as he's the author of the 10-year series, so he's very reputable compared to others. Definitely, as just from a few months of this tuition, I've improved from a usual E8 or F9 to a B3 for my prelims. So I feel like if I found out about it earlier, I could have gotten an A1 or even in the 90 plus range. I'll definitely recommend Ace Your POA to my friends as it's really helpful if you want to ace your POA. And Alex is also very reputable as he's the author of the 10-year series, and there's been a lot of good and positive feedback. Thank you for helping me on my journey. You are a very fun and entertaining teacher while also being very effective. Thank you Ace Your POA and thank you Alex.